Hello everyone, welcome to Blaspur IS Academy, and in this lecture I will talk about the various divisions of Chhattisgarh and I will give you the information regarding important places, various districts of Chhattisgarh and also about the geography and history of the Chhattisgarh. But before starting the lecture I would like to tell all of you, please those who want to register, please follow us on this particular YouTube channel and also for registration you can call us in this particular number provided below. So आप इसमें आप कॉल कर सकते हैं. Most of you are already trying to connect with us, but आप लोग क्या कर रहे हैं, मैसेज डाल रहे हैं इन द टेलीग्राम. सो प्लीज़ ट्राई टू कॉल अस. ठीक है, मैं वहाँ पर मैसेज डालेंगे बिकॉज वी आर वेरी बिजी. सो हम लोग बहुत लेट रिस्पॉन्ड कर पा रहे हैं वहाँ पे. सो आप क्या कर दीजिए, आप कॉल कर लीजिए जो आपको यहाँ पर नंबर दिया है, एंड फ्रॉम दैट पर्टिकुलर number you will get all the information regarding how to register with us. Now today in today's lecture of this particular Chhattisgarh GS, so I am talking about the GS of Chhattisgarh. For the first lecture जो आपका पिछला lecture हुआ था उसके लिए already I have given the handouts. Please read those handouts. उससे आपको काफ़ी बेनिफिट मिलेगा एंड दैट पर्टिकुलर हैंड आउट विल हेल्प यू इन बोथ प्रीलिम्स एंड मेंस. ठीक है, तो एक डिस्क्रिप्टिव वे में उसको आपको हर एक तरह से दिया जा रहा है ताकि आप उसको अच्छे से कर पाएं. नाउ इन टुडेज लेक्चर ऑफ दिस छत्तीसगढ़ जीएस विल टॉक अबाउट द वेरियस डिविजन्स ऑफ छत्तीसगढ़. हमने कल देखा था किस तरह से इन द एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव स्ट्रक्चर वी हैव द वेरियस डिवीजन, वी हैव वेरियस डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स, तहसील, ब्लॉक्स एंड अदर थिंग्स. सो टुडे विल स्टार्ट विद द स्टडी ऑफ वेरियस डिविजन ऑफ छत्तीसगढ़. See, I just want all of you to look up into the various districts and various important places of छत्तीसगढ़. इसलिए मैं पहले आपका डिविजन्स ले रहा हूँ ताकि आप सारे के सारे इंपॉर्टेंट प्लेसेस को नोट डाउन कर लें. यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड द मैप ऑफ छत्तीसगढ़ वेरी वेल. देन विल स्टार्ट विद द लेक्चर. और उसके बाद लेक्चर करने से ये आपको बेनिफिट मिलेगा कि कहीं पर भी आपको डाउट नहीं आएगा इसके रिगार्डिंग कि कौन से प्लेसेस की बात हो रही है. ठीक है, तो सबसे पहले विल लुक अप इनटू द वेरियस प्लेसेस ऑफ छत्तीसगढ़ इंक्लूडिंग द वेरियस डिविजन ऑफ छत्तीसगढ़, डिस्ट्रिक्ट एंड तहसील ऑफ छत्तीसगढ़. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई विल स्टार्ट विद द नॉर्दर्न मोस्ट division of Chhattisgarh, which is Sarguja. So I will talk about the Sarguja division. Again, now I will draw the complete map of this particular Sarguja division and we will see कि वहाँ पर क्या क्या चीज़ें important हैं. So this particular map of Sarguja will tell you many things. If this is a bigger map of Sarguja, so I will draw something like this. Now take it bit like this. This thing is your Korea. This is the Korea district of this particular division. From here I'll draw something like this, and this particular is your Surajpur. This is Surajpur. After Surajpur, draw something like this. This particular is Sarguja. After Sarguja, this particular, draw a line like this. This is the above one. This one is your Balrampur. And this particular is the Jaspur of this particular division, Sarguja. So this is Jaspur. Okay, so these are the 5 districts of this particular division called Sarguja. So Sarguja has 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So Sarguja has 5 districts. I have already told you the year of formation of each and every. So Sarguja as a division, if I talk about the Sarguja division, so Sarguja became division in 1956. Okay, and there are 5 districts including this 5: Korea, Surajpur, Balrampur, जसपुर एंड वी हैव सरगुजा. तो सरगुजा फॉर्म इन 1948. कल हमने देखा था कि कब का सारे के सारे का ईयर ऑफ फॉर्मेशन फॉर दिस पर्टिकुलर कोरिया एंड दिस पर्टिकुलर एक्सट्रीम जसपुर. दिस बोथ द एक्सट्रीम्स फॉर्म मीन्स योर कोरिया एंड योर जसपुर, बोथ एक्सट्रीम्स फॉर्म इन ईयर 1998 एंड दिस टू सूरजपुर एंड बलरामपुर इन ईयर 2012. So यहाँ तक हमने देखा था. Now in today's lecture we'll see the various tehsils of this particular 5 districts. So first of all we'll note down all the tehsils of this particular district. Then I will tell you about various things including the tehsils, various tehsils. In this particular lecture we'll talk about the various tehsils of this particular districts. After discussing the tehsil we'll talk about geography of this particular division after geography we'll also talk about the history of this particular division and important places and important personalities of this particular division. इतना हम लोग करेंगे so that you can get a good understanding about the Sarguja division. अब बहुत ज़्यादा डीप में नहीं जाएंगे. we'll complete the first of all I want you all कि आपको पता चले इस डिवीजन में क्या क्या है, and in the further lectures after completing all the subjects once we'll go start with the subject by subject study at the last of the your means जब आपका सबसे end होगा, ये पूरा का पूरा syllabus end होगा, there also I will take the district wise your स्टडी ऑफ ऑल द डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स, और हम लोग वहाँ पर डिस्ट्रिक्ट वाइज पढ़ेंगे सारे के सारी चीज़ों को क्लब करके, एंड दैट वुड बी योर द रिविजनरी क्लास, अ काइंड ऑफ रिविजनरी क्लास एट द लास्ट ऑफ दिस अवर सेशन ऑफ छत्तीसगढ़ जीएस. ठीक है, तो वहाँ हम लोग उस चीज़ को फिर से करेंगे. सो आपको ज़्यादा परेशान नहीं होना है कि देर आर सो मच इन्फॉर्मेशन इन दिस पर्टिकुलर डिवीजन. आप जितना इन्फॉर्मेशन प्रोसेस कर सकते हैं, ट्राई टू प्रोसेस दैट मच इन्फॉर्मेशन, एंड जो भी आपको समझ आ रहा है प्लीज़ मेक दैट थिंग. आई एम नॉट ड्राइंग द मैप ऑफ पर्टिकुलर कि आपका कोरिया जिला में भी मैं आपको सारे तहसील्स का आई एम नॉट ड्राइंग द मैप, आई एम जस्ट गिविंग यू द नेम्स ऑफ तहसील्स एंड अ काइंड ऑफ ब्रीफ explanation about the places where those particular tehsils are located. So I will start with your Korea division, and at the Korea division somewhere here this particular area we have the first tehsil which is called as your Bharatpur Jaunpur tehsil. Bharatpur Jaunpur tehsil. Jaunpur, Bharatpur Jaunpur tehsil, first tehsil. Now at here below this Bharatpur Jaunpur somewhere here is your Manendragarh. अब this particular is your Manendragarh tehsil. Okay, so आपको ज़्यादा कंफ्यूज नहीं होना है. आई एम नॉट ड्राइंग द मैप लाइक कि आपको पूरा का पूरा एक जगह पे दिखा दिया जाए कुछ इस तरह से बनाकर. आई एम जस्ट गिविंग यू द नेम्स, सो प्लीज़ फॉलो दिस पर्टिकुलर थिंग. आपको इससे ज़्यादा डीप में वहाँ पर पूछेगा भी नहीं पीएससी में. इफ यू गो तो वहाँ पर भी आपको बहुत कॉम्प्लिकेटेड मैप ड्रॉ नहीं करना है. ड्रॉ एज सिंपल एज यू कैन. सो दिस इज भरतपुर जौनपुर, दिस इज योर मनेन्द्रगढ़. बिलो मनेन्द्रगढ़ समवेयर हियर दिस वन, दिस पर्टिकुलर इज योर खड़गवा. खड़गवा तहसील. एंड अगेन coming here at this particular place, this is the Baikuntpur. This is Baikuntpur. Baikuntpur, and this Baikuntpur is the district headquarters. So this is the headquarter. So please remember this particular thing. For Korea district we have the district headquarter at Baikuntpur. District headquarter means वहाँ पर क्या होगा, आपका कलेक्ट्रेट होगा. Okay, so at Baikuntpur the collectorate of Korea is at your Baikuntpur. Okay, so first is Bharatpur Jaunpur, then Manendragarh, Khadgawa, Baikuntpur, and here at the top here we have the Sonat. So these are the tehsils of this particular district called Korea. So Korea has the 5 tehsils. Okay, first one is your Bharatpur Jaunpur, then this is Sonat. Below Sonat we have Manendragarh, here we have Baikuntpur and Khadgawa. So in Korea we have 5 tehsils. Now talking about this particular Surajpur, in Surajpur at the top we have Odgi tehsil, Odgi. Below Odgi somewhere here we have the other tehsil named Bhaiyathan, Bhaiyathan tehsil. Below Bhaiyathan tehsil here this is Baikuntpur, and is at here in this places we have your Surajpur, Surajpur. So again for this particular district Surajpur we have Surajpur as your district headquarter. So Surajpur is the district headquarter for your Surajpur. First Odgi, then Bhaiyathan, then Surajpur. Now below Surajpur somewhere here the center we have your Ramanuj Nagar. There are 2 Ramanuj kind of things. One is Ramanuj Nagar and other one is your Ramanuj Ganj. So please remember this particular thing. This is your Ramanuj Nagar, Ramanuj Nagar, and not Ganj. So this is Ramanuj Nagar, and below the Ramanuj Nagar we have Prem Nagar, Prem Nagar, and somewhere here in this particular place here, this particular we have your Pratappur, famous for this particular Pratappur. Here recently Uranium Corporation of India is somewhere here in the there is a place called Jajawal in your Pratappur where the uranium is found. So, okay, so वो भी हम discuss करेंगे अभी. So this particular Surajpur, and here we have Pratappur. So Pratappur has uranium also. So okay, अभी आप लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. Just see all the tehsils. डोंट राइट द अदर इन्फॉर्मेशन आई एम टेलिंग, वो सारा का सारा मैं फिर से आपको बताऊंगा. सो दिस इज भरतपुर, सोनहट, मनेन्द्रगढ़, बैकुंठपुर, खड़गवा, उडगी, भैयाथान, सूरजपुर, प्रतापपुर, रामानुजनगर एंड प्रेमनगर. नाउ we'll see this particular Sarguja, and the district headquarter for your Surajpur is your Surajpur. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 tehsils. So 6 tehsils are in your Surajpur. Now we'll see the Sarguja, and in Sarguja here somewhere here we have Ambikapur. Ambikapur, and Ambikapur is the district headquarter for this particular Surajpur. District headquarter, that means वहाँ पर आपका collectorate होगा. Collectorate of that particular district is in your Ambikapur. Now below Ambikapur, somewhere here in this place we have your Lakhanpur. Lakhanpur. Below Lakhanpur here is your Udaipur. Okay, so we have Ambikapur, Lakhanpur and Udaipur. Here this particular, from Ambikapur we have this particular Lundra. Lundra Tehsil. Below Lundra Tehsil we have your Batauli. Batauli Tehsil. So Ambikapur, Lakhanpur, Udaipur, Lundra, Batauli, and at the bottom somewhere here we have Sitapur. Like this we have Sitapur. Sitapur Tehsil. And here is your the main part, the famous spot, main part. So we'll talk about that also. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So again in Sarguja we have 6 Tehsil. Okay. Now Korea 5, Surajpur 6, Sarguja we have 6 tehsil. Now talking about the Balrampur, this particular Balrampur, this section जहाँ पर आपका रिहंद, this particular is a Rihand basin. So at the Rihand basin location, this particular is your Wadraf Nagar. Wadraf Nagar. This is the Wadraf Nagar. This particular is your Balrampur. This particular district is Balrampur, but this particular the top is topmost. ये वाला section पूरा का पूरा of Balrampur. This particular is a tehsil called Ramanujganj. This is your Ramanujnagar and this is Ramanujganj. Why Ramanujganj is famous? It is the northernmost tehsil or the northernmost place of Chhattisgarh. So this is Ramanujganj. What is this particular thing called Ganj? ये Ganj क्या होता है? Ganj are the ancient market. Ancient times में और medieval times में during the Mughal eras we have various markets and markets are called as Ganj. So ये छत्तीसगढ़ का एक famous market area था during the medieval times. So this place is called as your Ramanujganj, and this Ramanujganj is the northernmost point of your Chhattisgarh. So northernmost tehsil if you will talk about, so Ramanujganj is your northernmost tehsil of Chhattisgarh. Okay, tehsil of Chhattisgarh. So these two, Wadraf Nagar, Ramanujganj. Below Ramanujganj, here lies your Sankargarh. This particular is the Sankargarh. Sankargarh Tehsil. Okay, this is your Sankargarh Tehsil, Wadraf Nagar, Ramanujganj. And here, this particular section, this one is called as your Samri Kusmi. Famous area, famous tourist spot, Samri Kusmi. So this is the Kusmi Tehsil, some also called as the Samri Kusmi Tehsil. So Kusmi Tehsil, this is Sankargarh, this is Ramanujganj. So sorry, this is Ramanujganj, Wadraf Nagar, and here at this particular place here we have the district headquarters. The name of district headquarters is again Balrampur. Balrampur Tehsil, and this Balrampur Tehsil has the district headquarters for this particular district, this particular district of Balrampur as well. So this is Balrampur, and below Balrampur here we have Rajpur. Rajpur. So again count: Wadraf Nagar 1, Sankargarh 2, Rajpur 3, Samri Kusmi 4, Balrampur 5, and Ramanujganj. Again in Balrampur we have 6 tehsil. So we have 6 tehsil in your Balrampur, and this particular last district of Chhattisgarh, which is your Jaspur. In Jaspur we have first of all in this place we have here this particular section is your Bagicha Tehsil. Bagicha. This is the Bagicha Tehsil of Jaspur. Above Bagicha, somewhere, below Bagicha, I'll talk from here. So this particular, the last Tehsil is your Pathalgaon. Pathalgaon. Okay. So this is the Pathalgaon Tehsil. Above Pathalgaon, here, this particular lies your Kansabel. This is Kansabel. above Kansabel here lies the Kunkuri, famous for the second largest church of Asia. So this is your कुंकुरी, यहाँ पर आपका छत्तीसगढ़ का सबसे लार्जेस्ट चर्च भी है. ओके, सो पत्थलगांव, कांसाबेल, कुंकुरी, एंड अबव कुंकुरी हियर लाइज योर जसपुर नगर, एंड दिस जसपुर नगर इज द डिस्ट्रिक्ट हेडक्वार्टर फॉर दिस पर्टिकुलर डिस्ट्रिक्ट. सो यहाँ दिस इज द डिस्ट्रिक्ट हेडक्वार्टर Jaspur Nagar. Sometimes they may ask you the question about which this particular district headquarters. Okay, so these are Bagicha, Kunkuri, Kansabel, Pathalgaon, Jaspur. Again above Jaspur here we have Tehsil of Manora Tehsil, and below Jaspur here lies your Duldula Tehsil, and at the bottommost here lies your Tapkara or also called as Farasgaon. Faras Bahar Tehsil. Okay, and this particular Tapkara is famous for, or also called as the Naglog. Naglog means here a special type of tribe called Nagesha tribe reside, and those tribes capture the snakes, and from after capturing the snake they took out the venom of that particular snake. उसका वो जहर जो है venom है उसे निकाल कर they use that particular venom as a medicine. So here this particular place Tapkara is famous as a Farasbahar, or this particular Tapkara is now proposed by the Chhattisgarh government for making a snake park there. So Chhattisgarh government has already proposed a snake park in this particular area called Tapkara. Now we will count this particular 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So in Jaspur we have your 8 tehsils. So these are the various tehsils of your Sarguja division. Right from your Korea we have discussed all the tehsils of this particular division. Okay? So from this particular you get at least the idea and the idea about various places. Many a times most of these particular places are in the news of Chhattisgarh, or also once you will start studying about the Chhattisgarh you will come across this particular name. But I will give you the name of few, I will just highlight the name of few of them. उनका नाम आप 100% क्या करेंगे, याद कर लेंगे. ठीक है. So I am starting from this particular Korea. From Korea you have to remember the name of this particular Manendragarh. For Korea you have to remember the name of Manendragarh. Bharatpur, this all you can avoid remembering the name. ठीक है. If you can, it is good, but अगर नहीं हो पाता तो कोई बात नहीं. ठीक है. So Manendragarh and Bakunthpur. For this particular Korea district, please remember the name of Manendragarh and Bakunthpur. For this particular Surajpur, remember the name of this particular Surajpur and your Pratappur. These two are famous now. So Pratappur, Surajpur, and sometimes also Odgi is important because there lies an important wildlife sanctuary of Chhattisgarh, Taimur, Pingla. So these two here, particular Sonhat and Odgi, this particular area is also famous in terms of your forest and other aspects. So देखेंगे उसे बाद में, but please remember the name of these four. And in this particular Balrampur, remember the name of this particular Ramanujganj because it is the northernmost tehsil of Chhattisgarh. Remember the name of this district headquarter Balrampur, and also remember the name of this particular Samri and Kusmi because you have to know the name of this particular thing because हम geography पढ़ेंगे. Time and again I will talk about the Samri or the Kusmi. So please remember the name of Samri and Kusmi in Balrampur. Now in this particular Sarguja you have to remember the name of this particular Ambikapur. Ambikapur आप याद करेंगे. ठीक है. And Ambikapur then you will remember the name of Udaipur because this Udaipur will come time and again. We will also talk about the Udaipur revolt in your history. तो history में आप यहाँ पर पढ़ेंगे आपका Udaipur revolt. This is the Manendragarh and in this is the Madhya Pradesh side, and in here in Madhya Pradesh side अगर इस तरफ देखेंगे तो यहाँ पर पड़ता है आपका Sohagpur, and we will also talk about the Sohagpur revolt in the history of Chhattisgarh. Now Udaipur, and also please remember the name of this Sitapur because here in this particular Sitapur we have main part, and main part is also famous here. Again, now talking about this particular Jaspur, in Jaspur please remember the name of this particular Kunkuri. Remember the name of this particular Pathalgaon. I have already told about the Tapkara, which is a snake park is proposed here. So please remember the name of these three and district headquarters. So अगर आप इतनों का भी नाम अगर याद रखते हैं ना, this particular which I have marked, so यहाँ से भी आपको you have the enough knowledge about this particular thing of your this particular district. Now moving ahead, एंड आई विल टॉक अबाउट द अदर थिंग्स अबाउट दिस पर्टिकुलर डिस्ट्रिक्ट. सो इसके आगे हम देखते हैं कि हमको और क्या क्या चीज़ें इस डिवीजन पे पर्टिकुलर एंड इन ऑल दिस पर्टिकुलर डिस्ट्रिक्ट हमें क्या क्या चीज़ें याद रखनी है. ओके, सो आई एम रबिंग द नेम ऑफ दिस ऑल दिस पर्टिकुलर तहसील्स. सबसे पहले मैं इस तहसील्स के नाम को रब कर रहा हूँ. देन विल टॉक अबाउट, होप सो यू विल रिमेंबर द नेम. सो आई एम रबिंग दिस पर्टिकुलर थिंग. भरतपुर जौनपुर, दिस इज द सोनहट, दिस इज मनेन्द्रगढ़. अगेन दिस पर्टिकुलर थिंग इज योर बैकुंठपुर. दिस इज द खड़गवा तहसील. दिस इज भैयाथान, उडगी. हियर इज योर सूरजपुर, प्रतापपुर, रामानुजगंज, प्रेमनगर. दिस इज द शंकरगढ़, राजपुर, बलरामपुर. वी हैव वाड्रफ नगर. प्लीज रिमेंबर ऑल दिस नेम. दिस इज रामानुजगंज. हियर इज योर पर्टिकुलर तहसील कॉल्ड बैकुंठपुर. एंड this side we have Samri, Kushmi, we have Manora, Bagicha, Kumkuri, an important place where the church is there. This is your Duldula, Jaspur Nagar. We have Tapkara and also the Pathalgaon. Okay, so hope so you will remember the name, all the names here. कि आपको जो भी बताया था उस सारे के सारे नाम आपको याद हो जाएंगे. So now we'll see the other things. So this is your Ambikapur, this is the Lakhanpur, this is Udaipur, here is your Suitapur, this is your Lundra, and here is your Batoli. So this particular signifies the various tehsils. So only I have rubbed the names there, but आपका सारे spots marked हैं already, so that we can get the other understanding from this particular pictures. ठीक है? Now we'll see the geography of this particular एरिया. यहाँ की पूरी जोग्राफी को समझते हैं. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल जोग्राफी ऑफ दिस पर्टिकुलर डिस्ट्रिक्ट, वट एवर आई एम मेंशनिंग हियर, प्लीज उसको बस आप ध्यान में रखेंगे, ज़्यादा नहीं. ठीक है? सो नाउ आई विल टॉक अबाउट द जोग्राफी ऑफ योर सरगुजा. जोग्राफी ऑफ दिस पर्टिकुलर सरगुजा डिवीजन. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इन जोग्राफी विल लुक अप इनटू द रॉक स्ट्रक्चर्स एंड द फिजिकल डिवीजन. Okay, so we'll talk about the rock structure and the physical division. What all types of rocks are being found in this particular area, and we'll also talk about the various physical division. So if I talk about the various physical division, see, this is the Ambikapur, this is your Sankargarh. So from this particular Sankargarh, draw a particular line like this. This particular, okay, move from this particular Ambikapur. Okay, draw like this. This particular, this is the Pathalgaon. Leave this Pathalgaon like this and all this thing. So this area, this particular area, what I have drawn, ये वाला, this section, this particular section, ये जो बना हुआ है, ये देखिए आप, ये यहाँ पर बीच पे टच नहीं किया मैंने. सो प्लीज़ रिमेंबर कि ये वाला जो सेक्शन बन रहा है लास्ट पे, टुवर्ड्स द लास्ट, वेरी लास्ट, ये तपकरा, दिस कम्स, बट द पत्थलगांव उससे बाहर है. ओके, सो दिस पर्टिकुलर अबव एरिया, this is called as the part Pradesh of Chhattisgarh. So I will talk about this particular part and everything. It is also called as the clan in your geographical terms, but in the most of the book of Chhattisgarh and even in the papers, Chhattisgarh wrote it as your CGPSC give that particular thing as your part only. So I will call it as a part Pradesh. So this particular region is called as your part Pradesh. Okay, so these are nothing but a various dissected plateaus. So these are the part of plateau region which are divided into the many sections like this. There is one plateau, there is other plateau, there is a third plateau. So these are the dissected plateau. Dissected means once these are the large plateau which get diverted, which get dissected into the various part, and now we have the various plateaus, उसी plateau से बना हुआ. So such type of plateaus are called as the dissected plateau. So this is the complete region of the dissected plateau, or also it is a part of your Chota Nagpur plateau, because here lies the your Jharkhand, and in Jharkhand we have the Chota Nagpur plateau. So sometimes they are also calling as it is the part of your Chota Nagpur plateau, or PSC once asked the question also, what is the similarity between the part Pradesh of Chhattisgarh and of your Chota Nagpur Plateau of India. So this is also the part of your Chota Nagpur Plateau. This particular section, remember this particular Ambikapur, and finally this things is called as the part Pradesh. So we have the two geographical division. This particular Sarguja is divided into the two geographical division. Second one, this particular is your part Pradesh, and this particular remaining half, जो भी half आपका ये बच रहा है ये white sections, this particular remaining half is called as your Bundelkhand. Sorry, your Baghelkhand, not Bundelkhand. This is the Baghelkhand. Baghelkhand Plateau. In Indian geography, we'll see the peninsular plateau, जो आपका peninsular plateau, in the morning I already told you, those peninsular plateaus divided into the many halves, like your Meghalaya plateau, like your Bundelkhand, Baghelkhand. So many plateaus I'll also discuss in the Indian geography. So for this particular lecture, please remember these things. These are the Bundelkhand plateau, sorry, this Baghelkhand. This particular things is the Baghelkhand plateau, and that particular thing is your part Pradesh. So please remember the Baghelkhand and your part Pradesh. Okay. So Chhattisgarh, in terms of this particular physical division, or the Sarguja in terms of physical division, is divided into the two half. One is Baghelkhand, other one is your part Pradesh. Talking about the various rock structures, what all rocks are found in this particular region. So in this particular region we will find your Gondwana rocks. I'll depict that particular thing in the map. So first I am writing here, then I will depict that particular thing there. So there is a Gondwana rocks, and also in Jaspur, उस वाले area में, in Jaspur area we'll have some of the Dharwad rocks. Okay. Some of this particular basement is over particular rocks called Archean rock. We'll also find Archean rock, and also in Jaspur region we have your Deccan Trap. In Indian geography, I have already discussed what all these rocks are. So in this particular region has the presence of 4 types of rock: Gondwana rocks, Dharwad rock, Archean rock, and your Deccan Trap. Okay, and talking about this particular Gondwana belt, so हम सबसे पहले Gondwana belt देखते हैं. So this particular, there lies a Hasdev river. I'll talk. So this particular belt, this particular region, like this, has the presence of, here also there is a Visrampur. So this particular has all the Gondwana rocks. Okay, so here we have the Gondwana rocks, पूरा का पूरा आपका कोरिया, and also in the Surajpur we will find the Gondwana rocks. And again we know this Gondwana rocks is associated with the coal minerals. See, ठीक है, so Gondwana rocks. So in this particular region we will find the coal, and in this particular region of the coal we have the various coal fields. बहुत सारे fields होंगे from where we are getting this particular coal get mined. So हमारे यहाँ पर क्या है, बहुत सारे coal fields हैं. So we will talk about that particular thing as well under this particular Gondwana. So in this particular location, if you look particular Gondwana rocks, we have the various coal fields which include, I am giving you just some of the information. आपको बहुत ज़्यादा इसमें परेशान नहीं होना. Again to take this particular all these things in the various classes of Indian geography as well, जहाँ पर we will talk about all these things. अभी just for a sake of information कि आपको पता रहे उस particular आपका division में क्या क्या है, और in particular district what all things are there, I am giving you this information. So for the coal in this particular Korea we have Shivpur, we have Charcha, or the Shivpur Charcha famous. Both are called as a Shivpur Charcha. Somewhere here lies your Shivpur and Charcha. Okay, and we have the Jhagrakhand. This particular place, Jhagrakhand. We have here the famous place of Chirmiri, and in this particular Surajpur, in Surajpur we have the famous coal mines at your Vishrampur. I am not giving more of the many of the coal fields जो थोड़े बहुत जो ज़्यादा important है. I am just telling that particular things. Vishrampur. So we have Shivpur Charcha, we have Jhagrakhand, we have Chirmiri, and we have Vishrampur here in the your coal belts of Gondwana, particularly in this two particular district. Okay, and also we have here in the Balrampur. In Balrampur you will also find this particular Gondwana somewhere here in terms of your Ulia. So in Balrampur we have Ulia and Tatapani. Near Tatapani we also have the coal field. Okay, Tatapani though known for the geothermal energy, but also in that location we will find the coal. So in Balrampur we have Ulia, Ramkola. So these two particular are again the coal field, Ulia and Ramkola. We have Vishrampur, we have Chirmiri, we have Jhagarakhand, Charcha and Shivpur. So this is about the Gondwana rocks, and the coal minerals are found in this particular region. Now number 2, about the Dharwad rocks. So Dharwad rocks, most of the Dharwad rocks are found in this particular region in your Patna Pradesh. In Patna Pradesh you will find Dharwad rocks in some of the places of Jaspur, and also in this particular place of your Sarguja. And most of this particular Baghelkhand region, apart from this Gondwana, other sections are made up of your Archean and Dharwad only. So Dharwad rock, you will find Dharwad rock in all the districts again. So Dharwad rock is mostly present there. Again the Archean rock, all this particular region are made over your particular Archean rock only. So Archean is mostly found in all the areas of Chhattisgarh. And now talking about this particular Deccan Trap. So this Deccan Trap is mostly found in this particular region of your Patna Pradesh. So Deccan Trap, or this particular Deccan Trap, or the lava accumulation, is also found in the region of your Patna Pradesh in the various districts. Okay. Because of the presence of this particular Deccan Trap in this particular region, we have the one of the best bauxite mines. We have the bauxite accumulation here, bauxite mines. Okay, and this particular area of Sarguja, this particular, here lies your main part, and main part is known for the bauxite, and in main part we have the various bauxite fields, which include many of the bauxite fields. Also, if you see this particular part of Pradesh, if I draw this particular part of Pradesh into the number of halves, this is the Samri Kushmi part. Again, we will have the so many there we have the Pandra part, this is the Jaspur part. Again, all the particular section of this part Pradesh I will deal in the geography. I am not telling here क्योंकि आपका बहुत ज़्यादा आपका क्या हो जाएगा, हॉट पॉज हो जाएगा और बहुत सारा चीज़ आ जाएगा, ठीक है. बट इन द लास्ट लेक्चर, और जब हम एंड करेंगे पूरे सेशन को, वंस यू हैव द गुड अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ छत्तीसगढ़, देयर वी विल ड्रॉ ईच एंड एवरीथिंग इन द मैप ओनली. ओके, सो अभी यहाँ पर हम उसको थोड़ा सा अवॉइड करते हैं, ठीक है. सो प्लीज रिमेंबर, इन द पार्ट प्रदेश वी हैव द बॉक्साइड मिनरल्स, एंड दिस पर्टिकुलर पार्ट प्रदेश हियर वी हैव द इंपॉर्टेंट सॉइल्स. वी फाइंड वन ऑफ द इंपॉर्टेंट सॉइल्स, दो इट इज नॉट वेरी फर्टाइल, बट अगेन इट प्लेज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रोल in Chhattisgarh, which is a laterite soil, and in over this particular laterite soil, this particular region of Sarguja and those particular section developed as a horticulture area. सो हॉर्टिकल्चर एरिया ऑफ छत्तीसगढ़, यहाँ पर बहुत सारे हॉर्टिकल्चर क्रॉप्स उगाए जाते हैं, ठीक है. इन टर्म्स ऑफ वेयर इज रिसेंटली द टी हैज़ बीन इंट्रोड्यूस इन छत्तीसगढ़, कॉफ़ी इज इंट्रोड्यूस इन छत्तीसगढ़, लीची. सो वेरियस क्रॉप ऑफ टी, लीची एंड कॉफ़ी, all these cash crops or all these particular horticulture crops are now proliferating in this particular area of Jaspur because of the temperature there. So particularly this particular Jaspur and the main part, in the winter season even the temperature goes up to your 0 degree and even in the minus degree. So it is a very beautiful places to visit in the month of December and also in various of the winter seasons. And again, because of such a extreme cold and the suitable temperature, we have the presence of this particular kind of apples. Now particularly apple is also grown over this particular region. Lychee is all the citrus crops which require a cold temperature, we can grow in this particular region. So again, this particular region is famous for this horticulture crops or the citrus fruits. Now I will talk about, we have already talked about the rock structure and also about the various physical division. Now under geography section we will also see the importance forest or the forest location, जो भी यहाँ पर important location है in terms of forest, or we can call it as a national park, in terms of national park and or your wildlife sanctuaries. So what all national parks and wildlife sanctuaries are situated in this particular Sarguja or your Sarguja division. So in Korea and the Surajpur, in this two particular making the boundaries, देखिए आपके दोनों में आता है. If questions come, in which of the following districts your Guru Ghasidas National Park is there? So if the options are both Sarguja and Korea, तो दोनों के दोनों में आता है, but you have to pick only one, then please mark your Korea because the main entry gate of this particular Guru Ghasidas National Park is in your Korea. So this particular tehsils, your Sonhat and this particular Odgi. So somewhere here also it is present in your Madhya Pradesh. So this thing, ये जो है पूरा का पूरा, this is your Guru Ghasidas National Park. This is Guru Ghasidas National Park. And recently ये गुरु घासीदास नेशनल पार्क रिसेंटली लास्ट ईयर, और इट बिकम ऑल्सो अ टाइगर रिजर्व। ठीक है, तो ये न्यूएस्ट टाइगर रिजर्व ऑफ इंडिया है, यह याद रखेंगे। द न्यूएस्ट टाइगर रिजर्व ऑफ इंडिया इज योर गुरु घासीदास नेशनल पार्क ओनली, द 51st टाइगर रिजर्व ऑफ इंडिया। ठीक है, सो 51st टाइगर रिजर्व ऑफ इंडिया। एंड इन छत्तीसगढ़ इफ यू टॉक अबाउट द नेशनल पार्क, सो वी हैव द important national park including Guru Ghasidas, Indravati National Park and the Kanger Ghati National Park. Okay, so this is again a part of national park. So in Chhattisgarh we have one of the important national park in your Sarguja district, which is your Guru Ghasidas National Park, and on the MP side it is also called as Sanjay Gandhi National Park, and आपका छत्तीसगढ़ में इसका नाम बदल दिया गया था in 2002. Again we'll talk in that in the forest lecture, but please remember the places only. This particular class I will tell most of the places of this particular region. Okay, so this is the Guru Ghasidas National Park, and the remaining area of Surajpur, this particular area here इतना बड़ा नहीं है, बट ठीक है, इस पर्टिकुलर एरिया में ही मिलेगा आपका। अगेन देयर इज अ पर्टिकुलर वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरी कॉल्ड एज तैमूर पिंगला, तैमूर पिंगला, दिस पर्टिकुलर तैमूर पिंगला वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरी। सो प्लीज रिमेंबर दिस टू थिंग, तैमूर पिंगला लाइज इन योर सूरजपुर, एंड इन योर पर्टिकुलर कोरिया वी हैव गुरु घासीदास नेशनल पार्क। अगेन once I will draw the various rivers also, अब यहाँ पर हम लोग rivers को ही plot करेंगे, and once we will draw the rivers, so you will see from this particular area of your Jaspur, here lies your Pandra part, and in Pandra we have the famous mountains called your Bakuna. So from the peak of Bakuna, a river called Kanhar river originate, और उस जगह से river Kanhar निकलेगी, and it flows like this and goes like this. So over this particular, on the side of this Kanhar, somewhere here near Bakundpur, here we have in this particular district of Balrampur, sorry not Bakundpur, Balrampur, here we have a important wildlife sanctuary called Semersooth, Semersooth wildlife sanctuary. So we have Guru Ghasidas, we have Taimoor Pingla, we have Semersooth. Now in your Jaspur, this particular is the Jaspur, and in Jaspur, near Jaspur Nagar, this is particular. So here we have in Jaspur, this area we have Badal Khol, the smallest wildlife sanctuary of Chhattisgarh, Badal Khol, Badal Khol, Badal Khol wildlife sanctuary. And again this particular Tapkara, this Tapkara is proposed for your snake park, snake park. Okay, so we have Guru Ghasidas, we have Taimoor Pingla, we have your Semersooth, here we have your Badal Khol, and there is a snake park in there, Tapkara. Again, because this particular region is lies here lies your Jharkhand and also Odisha at the bottom. So Odisha आपके ओडिशा एंड झारखंड से लगे होने के कारण क्या होता है, from this particular place and also in between this particular, जहाँ जो बीच का जो लाइंस बन रहा है, इनके बीच पे आपके क्या होते हैं, there is a much of the elephant movements. So बहुत सारे एलिफेंट्स छत्तीसगढ़ में यहाँ से एंटर करते हैं, the wild elephants, and this particular wild elephant from this particular low lines route, ये क्या करते हैं, एंटर करते हैं आपके in this particular Sarguja, and from this particular Sarguja and from this particular Pathalgaon they enter the Raigad. इसके below आपका क्या मिलेगा, Raigad, and from Sarguja and Raigad they enter in the Korba. So this particular region of this particular Sarguja, especially this Sarguja का ये वाला जो half है, and we'll see the below hits your Korba and here is particular Raigad. So this particular region, इतना बड़ा जो region है, this particular region of दिस पर्टिकुलर डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स, ये तीनों डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स को हम देखेंगे। आपका कौन कौन सा, 3 डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स, सरगुजा, कोरबा, कोरबा अगेन बिलो सरगुजा वी हैव कोरबा, एंड बिलो कोरबा वी हैव द ऑन द साइड ऑफ कोरबा वी हैव रायगढ़। सो इन तीनों जगह पे आपका प्रपोज किया गया है लेमरू, ए प्लेस एट कोरबा इज फेमस कॉल्ड एज लेमरू, लेमरू LEMRU। सो दिस लेमरू और दिस पर्टिकुलर रीजन, जो इतना बड़ा रीजन दिख रहा है, इट इज़ रिसेंटली प्रपोज फॉर योर एलिफेंट पार्क। ठीक है, सो ये किसके लिए हो गया, एलिफेंट पार्क, एलिफेंट पार्क। और द रीजन विल बी फ्रॉम पर्टिकुलर जसपुर दिस, एंड अगेन फ्रॉम दिस पर्टिकुलर रीजन विल डेवलप द एलिफेंट कॉरिडोर। सो आपका एलिफेंट कॉरिडोर डेवलप करेंगे सो एज टू अवॉइड द मैन एनिमल कॉन्फ्लिक्ट इन टर्म्स ऑफ ह्यूमन एंड योर एलिफेंट कॉन्फ्लिक्ट। सो वी विल हैव दिस ऑल particular wildlife parks and sanctuaries, and also here in this particular region there is a deer park is also proposed. So deer park also proposed in this particular region. Recently अभी वो बना नहीं है, so don't get the information regarding that particular thing. जब वो बन जाएगा I will tell you. ठीक है, so this particular things already asked मोस्ट ऑफ द पार्क आर आस्क्ड दिस पर्टिकुलर लेमरू लास्ट ईयर का आपका आ चुका है. सो टाइम एंड अगेन दिस पर्टिकुलर थिंग किसी भी आपके एग्जाम में आ सकता है. सो प्लीज रिमेंबर दैट पर्टिकुलर थिंग एज वेल. ठीक है, तो आपका क्या हो गया, गुरु घासीदास, हेमरसोर, बादलखोल, स्नेक पार्क एंड योर लेमरू एलिफेंट रिजर्व. So these are the various national park and the wildlife sanctuaries of this particular region. Many of the tribes are also residing here. If I'll talk about 1-2 tribes only. So in this particular Korea we will have the Kol tribe. Kol tribes. Again I'll give the complete information regarding the tribes in the lecture of tribes. Again बस यहाँ पर आपको mention कर रहे हैं 1-2 most important tribes of the region. Okay, these are there. We will find the 4 tribes in Jaspur and the Balrampur. Here we will have the second most important tribes of Chhattisgarh called Urao. Okay, so there is a Urao tribe. Also in the particular Snake Park or in this region we have the Nagesia. Okay, and also here in the Sarguja and in this particular region we will also have the cover tribe. So all the tribes I will take up in the tribes lecture. Again दो तीन मैंने आपको बताया जस्ट कि आपको पता रहे कि हाँ also this particular region has the presence of many of the tribes. Okay, तो आप क्या करेंगे यहाँ पर 1-2 tribes के नाम. So particularly if question will not there I don't expect such a question कि यहाँ पर आपसे पूछा जाए give a brief description of the Sarguja division. If this particular question come आपका 15 marks में ही आएगा where you can draw this particular map and write about the geography, history and many more things. So this is about some of the information regarding the geography where I talk about the various physical division, rock structure. I talked about the various rocks, all the coal fields here, and I also talked about the bauxite mine. I talked about the various national parks. Now I'll give you some of the description or information regarding the various rivers. So which all rivers are present in this particular area. So I'll also talk about the rivers. Okay, so I guess आप लोग को इसमें समझ शायद ही आएगा. First of all I'll draw the rivers. Talk about the rivers and mountains. Okay, so various rivers and mountains. So in geography we will see already seen physical divisions, we have seen the various rocks, we have seen the various national parks. Now I'll see the rivers and mountains. So in this particular map I'll draw the map this particular mountains. So in your Korea and the particular Surajpur you will see something like this here, and also so this particular thing is your Changbakar mountain. About Changbakar here, somewhere here you will find the Kamur mountain. Kamur is the part of your this particular Kamur is the part of your Vindhyachal mountain. ये please remember this thing. Is a part of Vindhyachal mountain. अगर Vindhyachal का extension देखेंगे, so Kamur is the extension of Vindhyachal mountain. Okay, this particular Changbakar again a part of Vindhyachal. So Changbakar we have the Kamur mountain, and in this particular here Sarguja we have here somewhere here we have Udaipur mountain range or Churi Matrenga Udaipur. So this is the Churi Matiranga Udaipur. So this is Changbakar, Kamur, we have Churi Matrenga Udaipur, and in this particular area here we have the highest peak of Chhattisgarh called as Gorlatas. Again, so this is Gorlata. Gorlata peak is having the height of 1225 meters. Okay, so this is the highest peak of Chhattisgarh. Your Gorlata, this particular area, ये वाला जो एरिया है इसको हम क्या बोलते हैं, सामरी और कुसमी पार्ट. So this is called as your Samri part. So in Samri part we have the highest peak of Chhattisgarh which is called as your Gorlata. So we have Changbakar, we have Kamur, we have Gorlata. Now talking about this particular area, यहाँ पर आपका क्या है, this particular area is your Pandra part. Again I will talk about all those part Pradesh as well. So in here we have two important peaks. The upper one, this particular is called as your Bakhona peak or Bakhona mountain, and below Bakhona we have the Khurja mountain. Okay, So this is Bakhona mountain, this is Khurja mountain, and above this particular this Changbakar, the highest peak here, this particular the highest peak, it is called as Devgarh peak. Devgarh peak. And this particular mountains, though in Indian geography I am not seeing कि आपका कहीं पर भी your आप this particular विंध्याचल एंड सतपुरा मीट्स, बट इन द बुक ऑफ छत्तीसगढ़ यहाँ पर लिखा हुआ है दैट बोथ दिस पर्टिकुलर सतपुरा एंड योर विंध्याचल मीट एट अ प्लेस कॉल्ड रामगढ़ माउंटेन्स. ओके, सो दिस पर्टिकुलर छुरी उदयपुर माउंटेन एंड अबव दिस पर्टिकुलर छुरी उदयपुर मतरिंगा माउंटेन वी हैव हियर समवेयर हियर वी हैव द रामगढ़ माउंटेन्स. इंडियन ज्योग्राफी वॉन्ट से कि आपका कहीं भी जाकर आपका जो पर्टिकुलर विंध्याचल एंड सतपुरा मिलते हैं, बट इन द बुक ऑफ छत्तीसगढ़ इट इज़ रिटन. सो प्लीज़ आपको क्योंकि क्वेश्चन पूछा जा चुका है, सो प्लीज़ एक्सेप्ट इट फॉर द छत्तीसगढ़ सेक्शन, बट इन इंडियन सेक्शन ऐसा कुछ आएगा नहीं बिकॉज वो कहीं पर मिलते ही नहीं है. ठीक है, सो दिस इज छुरी उदयपुर एंड दिस इज योर रामगढ़ माउंटेन. So this particular Changbakar, Kaimur, we have Samri here, we have Gorlata, we have Bakhona, Khurja, and in above this particular section we have your main part. Though not a mountain type of thing, but again a main part is a high region. So this particular is your main part. Main part. Why I am drawing all this particular mountain because कहीं ना कहीं all the rivers are originating from this particular mountains only. So we need to understand this particular mountains. Now I will draw the particular rivers. So from this particular Devgarh peak here, from this particular area, drain the important rivers which comes here and drain like this. This particular river is called as a river Hasdev. This is river Hasdev originating from your Devgarh peak. So this is the river Hasdev. From this particular Kaimur we have the various rivers because अब जब नीचे हम देखेंगे in the Bilaspur region, again in the Gorla Pendra Marwahi region, from the that particular Gorla Pendra Marwahi, वहाँ पर से आपका from Pendra we will see there is a river Son originate and river Son will go like this particular and meet the river Ganga. So this is your river Son. Why I am drawing this particular river Son? Again I will repeat that particular river Son, but here because many of the tributaries, छोटे छोटे tributaries हैं of this river Son originate in this particular region, like this particular Bijal, river Bijal. Again we have river Banas. There is a river Gopad. So we have three important tributaries called Bijal, Banas and Gopad. This is your particular river called river Hasdev, an important river of Chhattisgarh. Now you will see this particular Ramgarh mountain and this particular Churi Udaipur. From this particular Udaipur mountain range like this originate an important river of Chhattisgarh which flows from here and goes in your Uttar Pradesh. So ये उत्तर प्रदेश में जाती है, again meet the Son. This particular river, this long river is called as river Rihand. This is the Rihand river, and in this particular Rihand river, when we will see in this particular area of your Uttar Pradesh, here lies Govind Vallabh Pant Sagar Dam, very important dam of India, Govind Vallabh Pant Sagar Dam. It is already asked in PSC for number of times. So please remember Govind Vallabh Pant Sagar Dam. It lies in this particular river called river Rihand, which originate from this particular Churi Udaipur Matringa. Now from this particular main part, a river originate from this particular main part and goes from this particular region like this and enters your Raigad. This particular river is called as your river Mand. This is river Mand. Okay, so this is particular, that particular river is called river Mand. Now from this particular peak called Bakhona mountain or the Bakhona peak, from this particular Bakhona peak a river originates and goes like this and bifurcate this Samri part into the two half. Okay, and so this particular river goes like this from Balrampur and like this. This particular river is your river Kanhar. I am not dealing the so many देर आर मैनी इंपॉर्टेंट रिवर्स ऑल्सो हियर, जो बहुत छोटे छोटे रिवर्स हैं. आई एम नॉट डीलिंग दैट, आई एम जस्ट गिविंग यू द इन्फॉर्मेशन रिगार्डिंग द लार्जर रिवर. वंस विल एंटर द पर्टिकुलर ज्योग्राफी एंड देयर विल रीड अबाउट द ड्रेनेज सिस्टम ऑफ छत्तीसगढ़. एंड इन द ड्रेनेज सिस्टम ऑफ छत्तीसगढ़ I will talk about this particular Rihand river and all the tributaries of this particular Rihand. I will talk about Hasdev and all its tributaries. Again for all the rivers I will give you the tributaries और वहाँ पर हम देखेंगे, not here. ठीक है, यहाँ पर नहीं तो बहुत ज़्यादा हौच पौच हो जाएगा. Again from this particular Khurja, from here river originate and flows like this and goes again downwards, not from the Khurja, again from this particular area we have the Pathalgaon. So from this particular region we will see, and this particular river is your river Kelo. Okay, Kelo. In this particular Pathalgaon we have here we have your Ludeng mountain. So this particular have your Ludeng mountain, a high region, and also this particular Ludeng is famous for the production of tomato. I have already told you this particular region is famous for the horticulture crops including various citrus crops. So this particular Ludeng is also called as the tomato village of Chhattisgarh. So this particular Ludeng important, also called as the tomato village. Above Ludeng we have the Loro valley, which is called as the valley of flower of Chhattisgarh. There are two valley of flower, one lies here called Loro valley and other one is at the Keskal in your. Once you see about the Bastar division, there we will see Keskal valley. So Keskal valley and this particular Loro valley, these are called as your valley of flower. So from this particular Ludeng we have your Kelo rivers, and from this particular Khurja we will see one more river of Chhattisgarh, which though originate in the Chhattisgarh and meet, the question is framing like this: there is a one river which originate in Chhattisgarh and flows towards the Odisha and meet the Mahanadi in Odisha. Okay, so please remember the name of this particular river as well. So this river is your river Ib. Okay, so river Ib. So this is about the various important rivers which are flowing in this particular Sarguja region. So we have Hasdev river, we have Rihand. Number third, that particular river called river Kanhar. We have Mand, Kelo, Ib. Okay, so please remember the name of this river, and also some of these particular smaller rivers like Banas, Bijal, Gopad. And you know where we'll find the rivers, जहाँ पर भी हमारा rivers होगा. And now we'll talk about the various mountains as well. So in terms of mountain we have Changbakar, Devgarh and all. So I have already mentioned that particular thing. So now I'm talking about in the places where we will find the rivers, जहाँ पर भी आपका river होगा, there lies some of the important temples, some of the important wildlife sanctuaries, because in and around the river we will find the various settlements also. So आपका वहाँ पर भी क्या होगा, सबसे ज़्यादा population generated area भी देखने को मिलेगा. So in and around this particular river there are various tourist spots as well. Okay, so there are various tourist spots or the tourism spots of Chhattisgarh, especially in this particular region of your Sarguja. So if we'll talk about the various tourism spots, we'll have in Korea here, this particular area, Ramayana, because Ramayana is also, we will find the many evidences of Ramayana in Chhattisgarh. So this particular area we have your Sitamarhi Harchauka. Sitamarhi Harchauka in particular your Korea in Bharatpur, Jaunpur Tehsil. Okay, we will have Sitamarhi Harchauka. I am talking about the various tourist spot of this particular Korea. So we will have your Sitamarhi Harchauka, this particular Hasdev river, and this in Hasdev river यहाँ पर ही आपको क्या मिलेगा, over this particular river again we have your waterfall, important waterfall called as Amrit Dhara waterfall. Above Amrit Dhara here we have your Akuri Nala waterfall. Okay, this Akuri Nala is called as the air conditioner of Korea. So Akuri Nala called as air conditioner of Korea. We have Amrit Dhara waterfall. I will take all this waterfall again. To ab tension mat dena, bas please mention for this particular area. So we have Akuri Nala waterfall. We have this Amrit Dhara waterfall. In Korea, in this particular Korea, we have your national park called that particular Guru Ghasidas National Park. Inside that national park we have one important waterfall called Neelkant waterfall. Neelkant waterfall, and between this particular waterfall only in Devgarh, here in this particular Devgarh peak along, we have an important cave called Kailash cave. Okay, Kailash cave. So we have your Ankuri Nala, Sitamarhi, Amritdhara, Nilkant, Kailash cave. All these are located in this particular area of your Korea. So Korea is important in terms of this particular thing. And please remember, one of the most important current affair kind of things for this particular, see in your Manendragarh Tehsil, in this particular Manendragarh, we have found the evidence of the fossils remains of various alligators. तो आपका ऐसे fossils मिले हैं which are of your marine origin, मतलब आपके समुद्र में मिलने वाले, that fossils which we will find in your or in the particular seas or the oceans. So oceans में मिलने वाले जो fossils है वो मिले हैं. So because of presence of those fossils, this particular area at particular Manendragarh, government has proposed to make a marine fossil park. Please remember this thing, marine fossil park. So government has proposed a marine fossil park in Manendragarh. So please remember this particular thing as well. So these are the various tourist spots we'll come across when we'll go into your particular Korea district. There are many more tourist spots, but आपका जो बहुत important है in terms of छत्तीसगढ़, because this particular सीतामढ़ी हर चौका, they may ask this particular thing. क्यों? क्योंकि छत्तीसगढ़ government has now recently proposed for making a Rama circuit with the name of Ram Van Gaman Path, and in that particular Ram Van Gaman Path we will have this particular place Sitamarhi Har Chauka. So please remember this particular thing. In Surajpur you will see there is a Taimur Pingla. I have already discussed about the Taimur Pingla. And again in this particular आपका बहुत ज़्यादा फेमस कोई टूरिस्ट स्पॉट जबकि छत्तीसगढ़ का सूरजपुर में नहीं है. So I am not giving the information regarding that particular thing again, but we'll have here in your Pratappur, if this is your Pratappur, so here a place called Jajawal, and in this particular Jajawal, recently Uranium Corporation of India, UCI, Uranium Corporation of India proposed for mining of uranium. So in Jajawal we have the uranium, and for mining of uranium your यूरेनियम कॉर्पोरेशन ऑफ इंडिया और यूरेनियम कॉर्पोरेशन ऑफ इंडिया यहाँ पर प्रपोज किया है कि वो आकर यहाँ से एक्सट्रैक्शन करेंगे फॉर यूरेनियम एसेट्स. ठीक है, तो आपको ये थोड़ा सा याद रखना होगा इन द करंट अफेयर्स सेक्शंस. सो वी हैव दिस पर्टिकुलर जजावल. Now talking about this particular Balrampur, in Balrampur I have already told you about the Semersooth. Along this particular Kanhar river only, in this place, this particular, we have a place called Tatapani, and this Tatapani is famous for your geothermal energy. Okay, so आपका नीचे से in below your earth crust आपका क्या हो रहा है, वाटर फ्लो हो रहा है, and that water is particularly heated up. So from that particular water, वहाँ से उसके हीट से गवर्नमेंट इज प्रपोजिंग टू वहाँ से क्या करेंगे, आपका एनर्जी प्रोडक्शन करेंगे, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी प्रोडक्शन करेंगे. सो दैट पर्टिकुलर इज कॉल्ड एज योर जियोथर्मल एनर्जी स्टेशन, जियोथर्मल एनर्जी. एंड गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया, I am not talking about Chhattisgarh, government of India recognized the two places where they have started, they are trying to establish a geothermal power plant. First is your Puga Valley in Ladakh and other one is the Tatapani in Chhattisgarh. So please make sure, ये बहुत ही important है, this particular Tatapani for geothermal energy or also called as the hot water fountain, hot water fountain. Time and again PSC is asking this particular question, hot water fountain or the geothermal energy, will find it your Tatapani. And again there is a national park, wildlife sanctuary there called as Semersooth Wildlife Sanctuary. In this particular area of Surajpur, your Sarguja, here there are many important tourist places which include this particular Ramgarh mountain. So Ramgarh mountain, in this particular Ramgarh mountain we have the two of the famous cave of Chhattisgarh. One is your Sita Bengra and other one is your Jogimara cave. I will give you the story of these two particular caves. For now just remember the name of these two particular caves, Sita Bengra and Jogimara. अभी यहाँ पर बहुत सारा इन्फॉर्मेशन नहीं, आपको सिर्फ प्लेसेस को मार्क करते चलना है. ओके, सो दिस इज सीता बेंगरा एंड दिस इज योर जोगीमारा इन योर रामगढ़ माउंटेन. ठीक है, आपका और भी बहुत सारे प्लेसेस हैं. इन दिस पर्टिकुलर इज योर मेन पार्ट इज द कोल्डेस्ट प्लेस ऑफ छत्तीसगढ़. सो ओके, सो कोल्डेस्ट प्लेस ऑफ छत्तीसगढ़ इज योर मेन पार्ट है. एंड इन हियर इन दिस पर्टिकुलर मेन पार्ट वेरियस टूरिस्ट स्पॉट इंक्लूडिंग टाइगर point, we have eco point, there is a fish point, Eco Point. Okay, and in this particular near Ambikapur we will find a special kind of stone. If you go and hit that stone, it will a sound, it will produce some of the sounds, hence called as a ठिनठिनी पत्थर. उसको बजाने से क्या होता है, मेटेलिक साउंड विल कम फ्रॉम दैट पर्टिकुलर स्टोन. अगर स्टोन को आप हिट करेंगे तो मेटेलिक साउंड विल प्रोड्यूस, दैट पर्टिकुलर साउंड विल, that particular stone will produce the metallic sound, and that particular stone is called as ठिनठिनी पत्थर. Okay, so why I am giving the name of this particular stone, because ऑल द टूरिस्ट जो भी वहाँ जाते थे क्या करते थे, उसको बजा कर आ जाते थे. एंड बिकॉज ऑफ टाइम एंड अगेन नॉकिंग ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर स्टोन, वो स्टोन धीरे धीरे ब्रेक होना स्टार्ट हो गया. सो छत्तीसगढ़ गवर्नमेंट रिसेंटली प्रपोज की क्या क्या करा जाएगा, दिस दे विल स्टार्ट द कंजर्वेशन ऑफ दिस पर्टिकुलर स्टोन कॉल्ड ठिनठिनी पत्थर. सो नाउ दे विल प्रोवाइड सम ऑफ द फैसिलिटीज सो दैट टू कंजर्व दिस पर्टिकुलर स्टोन कॉल्ड ठिनठिनी पत्थर. और गवर्नमेंट ने इसे प्रपोज किया है, प्लीज रिमेंबर दिस पर्टिकुलर स्टोन. ओके, नाउ विल टॉक अबाउट this particular Jaspur, a beautiful district of Jaspur. So in Jaspur around Bagicha we have one of the beautiful places called Sanna, a beautiful place of Sanna. Sanna also called as the Switzerland of Chhattisgarh. छत्तीसगढ़ में सब कुछ मिलेगा, स्विट्जरलैंड, इटली, जापान, हम सब कुछ देखेंगे. So this particular Sanna is called as the Switzerland of Chhattisgarh. Below this particular Sanna we have a Bagicha. Bagicha is very important, as a name suggests Bagicha. So this particular area is a completely a garden, or a garden of horticulture garden. So you can say as this particular area is a horticulture garden. In this Pathalgaon area here we will have a flower valley called as a Loro Valley. Loro Valley called as the flower valley of Chhattisgarh. Okay, so this is the valley of flower, or the flower valley, Loro Valley. And again there I have already taught about the snake park as well. So these are the famous tourist spots in this particular Sarguja division. So this is all about the geography of this particular area. There are many more things in the geography. Once we will start with the geography of this particular Chhattisgarh, so I will also discuss many more things in the geography section. Now talking about the history, there is not much more, there is not many things to tell about the history of this particular Sarguja. So I will give a brief idea about the history of your Sarguja. So first of all I will see some of the historical evidences or the history of this particular Sarguja. So in history we will see in this particular area we will find some of the famous revolts took places. ठीक है, सो आपका कुछ रिवोल्ट्स देखेंगे हम लोग, लाइक इन दिस पर्टिकुलर मनेंद्रगढ़ एरिया और अदर नेबरहुड एरिया ऑफ मनेंद्रगढ़. इन MP we have the Sohagpur. So we'll read about the Sohagpur revolt. We'll also see in history about the other revolt which is famous from this particular area, called as the Udaipur revolt. Okay. Also there is a famous revolt also took places in this particular area of Surajpur, in your particular Sarguja area. So वो वाला भी हम revolt देखेंगे, Sarguja revolt. Okay, so we'll see this particular revolt. But again this particular area of Sarguja, if we talk about the history of Chhattisgarh, this particular Sarguja is a princely state. So Sarguja is a princely state, erstwhile princely state. Sarguja is a princely state, and this particular princely state is not part of Chhattisgarh till 1905. 1905 तक ये छत्तीसगढ़ का पार्ट ही नहीं था पूरा सरगुजा. इन 1905 5 डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स ऑफ छत्तीसगढ़ वो आपको कहाँ दे दिए गए, उड़ीसा पे दिए गए. एंड फ्रॉम उड़ीसा विल टेक दिस पर्टिकुलर डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स, ऑल दिस पर्टिकुलर. एंड इन 1905 सरगुजा, this particular Sarguja in 1905 merged in Chhattisgarh. Okay, merged in Chhattisgarh. तो आपका सरगुजा जो है वो 1905 में छत्तीसगढ़ में उसको लाया गया. एंड देन इन 1948 जब आपका क्या हो रहा है, कंप्लीट इंडिपेंडेंस हो रहा है. सो दिस सरगुजा ऑल्सो गेट इंटीग्रेटेड इनटू द इंडियन यूनियन. दिस पर्टिकुलर प्रिंसली स्टेट ऑफ सरगुजा गेट इंटीग्रेटेड इनटू इंडियन यूनियन. आपके इंडियन यूनियन में इसको क्या किया गया, इंटीग्रेट किया गया. अगेन देन इन ईयर 1956 जो आपका नेक्स्ट था 1956, दिस पर्टिकुलर सरगुजा बिकम द डिवीजन ऑफ छत्तीसगढ़. बिफोर बिकमिंग द डिवीजन इन 1948 इट बिकम द डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स. तो सरगुजा को आपका 1948 में डिस्ट्रिक्ट बनाया गया। इन 1956 सरगुजा बिकम द डिवीजन एंड देन आपका सरगुजा के डिफरेंट जितने भी आपके डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स देख रहे हैं, जस्ट फॉर द एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव कन्वीनियंस दिस पर्टिकुलर डिवीजन इज डिवाइडेड इनटू दिस ऑल पर्टिकुलर डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स विच इंक्लूड कोरिया, सूरजपुर, योर बलरामपुर, सरगुजा एंड ऑल्सो द जसपुर। सो इस तरह से आपका पूरा का पूरा जो आपका कंप्लीटली क्या है, दिस पर्टिकुलर Sarguja division, this is the complete history of Sarguja division, and this particular Sarguja division is ruled by the king of your particularly king called Ramanuj Singh Dev. So presently if you see the health minister of Chhattisgarh, he is also हेल्थ मिनिस्टर ऑफ छत्तीसगढ़ बिलोंग टू दैट फैमिली ओनली, नेम इज़ टी.एस. सिंहदेव, जो अभी आपके छत्तीसगढ़ के हेल्थ मिनिस्टर हैं। सो वो उसी समय के जो प्रिंसली स्टेट थे उन्हीं जो उनका क्या था पर्टिकुलरली किंगडम चला रहा है उन्हीं से बिलोंग करते हैं, ठीक है। सो प्लीज़ रिमेंबर दैट थिंग। एंड नाउ एट प्रेजेंट इफ़ यू सी द political things, we'll find some of the ministers of Chhattisgarh are also from this particular Sarguja area, like T.S. Sahdev. Also we have there Amarjit Bhagat, he is now a culture minister of Chhattisgarh. And also we'll see others minister in your Indian government. If you see the Indian government or in the parliament, we have the presence of one of our Chhattisgarh people there called Renuka Saruta, and she is one of the most important minister, a tribal affair or the state tribal affair minister of India. So she is a state tribal affair minister, Renuka Singh Saruta. She also belongs from this particular Sarguja division. Now I am not telling you much about the various seats for the MLA seats or the MP seats. Again we will see that in the polity section of Chhattisgarh. वहाँ पर हम देखेंगे, यहाँ पर बहुत ज़्यादा इंक्लूड करने से you will forget much of the things I have already told you. So please remember those particular places, this mountain, rivers, and also various important things which I have told about the Sarguja division. And also remember the name of this particular rivers if you can. Also please see this particular Sarguja is first a princely state, then in 1905 it get merged into the Chhattisgarh. Then this particular that particular princely state which is merged in the Chhattisgarh in 1905 become the part of Indian Union or got integrated into the Indian Union in 1948, and in that particular area this become the district of Chhattisgarh, and in 1956 it become the division of Chhattisgarh. So this is about the Sarguja division, its history, its geography, and some of the tribes I have also mentioned. I will talk about the culture and all the other aspects of this particular division once I will start with the tribes and the cultures of Chhattisgarh. And at the last of our section, जब पूरा का पूरा सेशन खत्म करेंगे, there I will do each district wise studies. आपको एक एक डिस्ट्रिक्ट पढ़ाया जाएगा. There you will get the much more information regarding each and every districts of Chhattisgarh. So this is all about this particular Sarguja division. इन द यस्टरडे लेक्चर आप थोड़ा सा एक दो चीज़ को चेंज कर लेंगे, बिकॉज वहाँ पर लिखते समय अभी सपोज आई हैव मेड सम ऑफ द मिस्टेक्स देयर, सो प्लीज़ उसको करेक्ट कर लेंगे. नंबर 1 बस्तर, आई एम जस्ट गिविंग यू द क्लैरिफिकेशन, ठीक है. आपके वहाँ पर सब कुछ सही है, नोट्स पे भी सब कुछ सही है. बस्तर, प्लीज़ रिमेंबर बस्तर बिकम अ डिस्ट्रिक्ट एंड डिवीजन. So Bastar become a district in 1948 and become a division in 1981. So please आप थोड़ा सा इसे देख लेंगे. I suppose I have written 1981 for the district as well. So please उस चीज़ को आप एक करेक्ट कर लेना, ठीक है. Though I have given that particular thing in your handouts as well, तो handouts में सब कुछ करेक्ट करके दिया गया है. And even in the class lecture I have told you 1948, but शायद डेट आपका वहाँ पर कुछ गलत लिख गया था. So please उसको एक करेक्ट कर लेंगे. Other way around all the things are in places, and please make sure अभी initially in the next today I have completed with the Sarguja division. Now tomorrow I will see the Bilaspur. So in the 3 or 4 lectures I will complete all the divisions study so that you can know the various important places of Chhattisgarh. Then we will proceed with the different all the subjects of Chhattisgarh. Okay, so यहाँ से आपका जो भी नोट्स है, जो भी हैंडआउट्स है, यू विल गेट दैट हैंडआउट्स बाय टुनाइट. और आज से आपका सारा चीज़ ऑन टाइम होगा, विल नॉट डिले एनीथिंग, बिकॉज अब ठीक है आपका सारा चीज़ ऑल द नेट कनेक्शन एवरीथिंग इज़ इन प्लेस. सो विल नॉट हैव एनी ऑफ द इश्यूज़ रिमेन, जिसके कारण आपका जो थोड़ा सा डिले हो रहा था हैंडआउट्स आने पे वो हो रहा था, ठीक है. नाउ विल रिजॉल्व ऑल दैट इश्यूज़. नाउ अगेन आई एम रिपीटिंग, दोज हु वांट टू रजिस्टर प्लीज़ कॉल अस, ठीक है. आप हमें कॉल करेंगे और या तो आप हमें व्हाट्सअप टेक्स्ट कर सकते हैं, देन वी कैन ईजिली कनेक्ट विथ यू. अदर वे अराउंड आप थोड़ा सा टेलीग्राम्स पे बिजी हो जाते हैं, तो प्लीज़ वहाँ पर थोड़ा सा देख लेंगे. प्लीज़ कॉल अस इन द नंबर प्रोवाइडेड बिलो एंड विल देन इंटरेक्ट विथ यू. For any doubts regarding the sessions or this particular lecture, you can call me at my number. I have already given my number in our ग्रुप्स, तो आपका जो आपका बिलासपुर IAS ऐप है उसके अंदर जो हमने ग्रुप बनाया है, प्लीज़ वहाँ पर आप जो भी डाउट्स हैं यू कैन आस्क मी योर डाउट्स। थैंक यू ऑल फॉर लिसनिंग टू मी फॉर दिस पर्टिकुलर सेशन। थैंक यू।